effect of, effect on, emphasis on, engagement to, enjoyment of, equality between, equality of, equality with, example of, exception to, excuse for, expenditure of, expenditure on, experience in, experience of, expert in, on, at, extract from, facilities for, failure in, faith in, fall in, fine for, flight from, flight to, fluency in, freedom from, freedom of, genius at, gift for, gossip about, graduation from, gratitude for, grief over, at, growth in, of, guide to, hatred of, for, towards, heir to, hope for, of, hunger for, hunt for, idea of about, ignorance of about, impact of, impact on, impatience with, impression of, impression on, improvement in, on, to, increase in, independence from, indifference to, influence on, information on about, injury to, inquiry about, inquiry from, inquiry into, instructions for, instructions on, insurance against, insurance on, intention of, interest in, interference in, interview for, interview with, introduction of, introduction to, invasion of, invitation to, irritation at, with,